Dave, thank you very much. All participants, welcome to Gasunie headquarters. Welcome to the NaturalHy presentation. My name is Rob de Wolf. I have to apologize for my director, who should be here, Annie Christ. She is Director of Strategy and Participations. But along my talk, you will understand why I'm here and she is not. The reason that Gasunie gives you a word of welcome is that we've been more or less a silent sponsor via Gasunie Technology and Engineering and Technology, and now we're more or less a public sponsor with Kima as our strategic consultancy ahead with us. As you will understand, there are some changes within our gas sector. Gasunie, established in 1964, was an integrated company that provided gas to the whole of Europe via a keen marketing concept. It became a success story in Europe, and then in the in the 80s and 90s, regulation and competition came along from a European perspective. This ended up in 2005 for Gasunie with a split up between Gasunie and Gasterra. Gasterra became the trader and sales company for the gas in the Netherlands, and we became up the infrastructure company. It became a full transformation and a full split up. From one moment to another, we became a market shaper and we invented the word gas roundabout. It ended up this year with the split of gas research activities towards Kema. Gasunie now has become from a single Dutch network operator to a full-bodied European gas infrastructure company, with assets ranging from a Dutch and German network, an LNG terminal, a BBL interconnector which relates the UK network with the Dutch network, storage in the Netherlands, and trunkline development in the Nord Stream. We also have developed a spot market in the northwest of Europe, which is flourishing very good. And there is more to come in this pipeline. The flip side, however, of this development is that we are no longer connected to the downstream or the upstream market. We are focusing on gas infrastructure only, and we are focusing on Europe. What are the results until now? Our turnover has become 1.5 billion euros. Our earnings are now 395 million euros, and we expect a further growth of 40% in the next 5 years. Although our business is for 95% regulated, we think there is ample growth in this industry. This means that we will invest this year a staggering 1 billion euros in 2009, and that we have an investment portfolio of 3.3 billion euros. We think, we know and we think that our asset value will grow, and it has done from 6 to 10 billion euros already. Why am I telling you this in a conference on NaturalHy, you think? Well, this year we celebrate 50 years of Dutch gas, and we think that there is for another 50 years gas around. But what we see is that there is a simultaneous development on sustainability, like Dave just introduced. Yesterday, our Dutch government made a decision to try to develop CCS in the west of this country. We are starting with biogas and green gas into our system. SNG and sink gas are items and aspects which are discussed heavily. We started this year a research program with partners in this region of 44 million euros for the next 5 years, just focusing on gas and sustainability in the gas value chain. Which brings me to NaturalHy. Who could have thought, like Dave just said, when there were ample questions in 2004, how fast the gas market would develop and how it would end in 2009. Well, sometimes you don't know where the future is laying ahead, but what I do know when we see these results today and when you see this program today, that NaturalHy has in a certain way made this future a little bit closer today. Because what this program did was to take an integrated gas chain approach towards hydrogen. It enabled new and sustainable business opportunities with gas, and it is clearly focusing on all aspects of delivering a major contribution to the natural gas industry on the road to sustainability. We from Gasunie thank you for participating in this research and wish you a nice and interesting day. And now I would like to give the floor to Mr. Carlos Sarava Martins, who will bring you the next introduction. Thank you.